Hi, this is Helena Viana, and I want to talk today about an oil that we have at the studio that's called neem oil. And this oil is made out of a very special tree in ancient India that is one of the evergreen trees. And I'll say one thing about neem oil, it smells horrific. So it works really well though. It's great for skin, it's great for the pitta and kapha dosha. It's very cooling, and it also helps with inflammation. So if you want to use it, you would dilute it for humans, but you could come in and talk to me about using it on yourself. So today we're going to stick with the dogs. So I have always used this on the dogs, and I noticed when I stopped using it that they started having ticks come on them. I do use a collar as well, but I use it neat. Now you'll find out that there are sprays that you can use, but if you use neem oil with a spray, you're going to have to remake it all the time. So basically, Lily, you have to stay here. So let's get her here. I'll put maybe 1 or 2 drops on my hand. I rub it together. And what I'd like to do is I like to put it on the underside of the dog's bellies. Now notice, Lily loves it, huh? Sometimes she licks it. It's really good internally. But what I find fascinating about the dogs is when the weather cools, they will not eat it. And that shows us how much dogs know. So this is supposed to help with fungus. It's antibacterial, it's also cooling, but it helps with ticks. It does not help with the brown recluse tick, and I still use their little front line, even though I don't love to use that, but it's better than having them get Lyme disease. So with that said, Lily and I are gonna say goodbye. Have a great day.